If you want to use TWRP recovery on your Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G, this video is for you.
The Virax TV.
Before you proceed with the installation, make sure you have an unlocked bootloader. If you don't have, you can follow our unlocking guide on a separate video, link provided in the description box. To start with, power off your device and boot to fast boot mode by pressing volume down and power button simultaneously, then connect your device to PC via USB cable. On your PC, you need to download these two files. Extract first the Platform-Tools, then drag the TWRP image into the extracted platform folder. Inside the folder, open Windows command prompt by typing CMD in the address bar. Once CMD pops up, type Fast Boot Devices to check if your device is connected correctly to the PC. Then type Fast Boot Flash Recovery and drag the TWRP image inside CMD and hit Enter. Now reboot to recovery by typing Fast Boot Reboot Recovery. Your device should now reboot to TWRP Recovery. Inside TWRP Recovery, proceed to Advanced tab and select Flash Current TWRP, then swipe to flash. Now you can reboot back to system. To check if we have successfully flashed the TWRP, let's quickly reboot back to recovery by pressing volume up and power button simultaneously. There you have it. You have successfully flashed TWRP recovery on your Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers!